In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Walmart account. Whether you're looking to shop online or simply track your orders and save time at the store, a Walmart account makes it all easier. We'll go step by step and ensure that by the end of this guide, you're all set up with your own account. First things first, you'll need to head over to Walmart's website, open your preferred internet browser, and type in www.walmart.com. If you prefer using your phone, you can also access Walmart through their mobile app, which you can download from your phone's app store if you haven't already installed it. Both the web and app methods are straightforward, so choose the one that suits you best. Once you're on the Walmart homepage, let's navigate to the sign up page. For those using a browser, click on the Account tab at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Create Account. If you're on the mobile app, tap Account, then Sign In, and you'll see an option to create account. This will redirect you to the registration form. Now let's fill in your information. You'll be prompted to enter your first and last name, which help personalize your account and are essential for contact information. Next, you need to input your email address, which acts as your login ID for the account. Ensure you have access to this email because you'll need it for future correspondence and verification purposes. Following that, you'll create a password. Walmart requires it to be at least 8 characters long. It's always a good idea to mix letters and numbers to enhance your account security. You might also see an option to add your mobile phone number. While it's not mandatory, adding your phone number is advantageous because it enables Walmart to send you important updates about your orders through text messages. After entering your details, you'll see Walmart's terms of use and privacy policy. It's worth taking a moment to glance through these policies to understand how Walmart will handle your information. Once you've done that, check the box indicating you've read and agree to these terms. The final step in this process is to verify your account. Walmart typically sends a verification code to the email or phone number you've registered with them. This step is crucial to ensure that the account is being created by you. Simply enter the code that you've received to complete the sign-up process. And there you have it. You can now enjoy a seamless shopping experience with your new Walmart account. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.